You guys, I just had to document this real quick. I was just getting ready for this video and I just put eyeshadow on my lips. It looks really pretty. Hold on, I gotta take it off. Okay, so to be fair, I was reaching for my Fenty lip gloss and I had my e.l.f. I don't even know what this is, like liquid eyeshadow right next to it. And I just put this on. I love this color. It's in the color Comet. Anyway, today's video, June Boxycharm. I am a little late on this. I got mine, well, no, actually I didn't get it kind of late, but I've been super busy this week. So that's why I haven't uploaded the video, but we're here, we're doing it. I'm gonna film and roll today. We're doing it. Boxycharm. If you guys don't know what it is, go find out what it is. I've been talking about Boxycharm for 6 years, almost 7 years, I think. Yeah, in August it'll be 7 years. Boxycharm is amazing. I will link all my Boxycharm. Oh, I got like mad smudges on my lens. Can you guys see that or what? Let's try to fix that before we go any further. My kids love to play in this room now. It's great. I open up like eyeshadow palettes and I find like little fingerprints in there. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but my girls decided to swatch these colors. All right, anyway, Boxycharm. You guys are like, Vanessa, just get into the box. We don't care. Okay. The theme for this month is Dare to Dazzle, and I got variation C2106058. This is the base box. They only sent me the base box this month. If you didn't know, Boxycharm is sent to me. I'm a Boxycharm ambassador, so I do get this box for free. I tell you guys that. You guys know that. Usually they send me the base box and the premium box, but this month they only sent me the base box. So I'm not complaining though. I'm not complaining because this box is good. I like this box. Okay. First thing is from Kat Von D. It's the Dazzle Stick. This is the Dazzle Stick eyeshadow. Retails for $22. It's a vegan long wear eyeshadow stick loaded with brilliant flecks of multi-dimensional pearlescence to deliver prismatic color in a flash. It's in the color Hail Surge. Hail Surge. Hail Surge. All right. I make everything into a song, you guys. I do everything. Like, I need to come out with an album. Would you guys buy it if I came out with an album? It'd probably be mostly kids songs, so you'd buy it, right? Guys, it's Friday. I'm feeling good. Ooh, look at that. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, baby. Ooh-wee. Isn't that a song? It's like an old song. Oh my. That is. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Just. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is really pretty. Don't put on your lips, Vanessa. It goes on your eyes, not your lips. Your eyes, not your lips. Okay, I'm excited for that. What else? What else do we have? What else do we have? Aceology is the overnight lip mask. Retails for $19. This lip mask is here to give your lips that extra smoochable edge. This miracle worker will resurface your lips, boosting hydration and leaving them soft, supple, I hate that word, and smiling. I've never heard of this brand before, so we'll see. We'll see. It's a lip mask. I like the packaging. I like that color. Kind of like matches my nails. Like, whoa, whoa. Next, what is this? What are you? What are you? This is from Brow Bar by Rima. This is the Brow Lights Camera Action Duo Brow Highlighter. Retails for $16. Star in your next bright-eyed moment with this two-in-one highlighter featuring a velvety cream finish and another with a touch of diamonds, your new secret weapon for effortlessly brightening your brows or eyes. The world is your stage. Brows or eyes. I don't, you know, my eyebrows, I'm just kind of like, then I'm good. You know, I don't really put much thought, effort, emotion, passion into my eyebrows. Oh, that package is very bright, very bright. All right, so we got, yeah, like a highlighter on this side and a highlighter on this side. So it just brightens. You got two different colors to brighten your brows. Or it can be used on your eyes. Maybe I'll use it on my eyes. I don't know. All right, moving on. What is this? The Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. Retails for $34. A multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses, hold on, let me read this again. A multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural, okay, yeah, that is right. It glistens, bronzes, and adds a perfect flirty finish. I like the packaging on this. Cute. I got little people outside my door. I need to hurry. That is beautiful. Oh, little thing fell out. That is beautiful. Oh, I don't even want to touch it. I just want to look at it. that's pretty. Oh, okay. All right. The last thing in the box is another palette. Oh my gosh. This is from OPV Beauty. This is the Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. Retails for $40. There's that. Okay. Okay, we got like a mixture. You know, we got colors I'll use in here. Well, that's it for everything in my, what are we? June 2021 Boxycharm. I really like this box. I'm excited for this palette. This is gorgeous. I'll use it, but it's so beautiful. I don't want to like mess it up, you know? Like it's just, oh my gosh. It's so pretty. What else? This is gorgeous. Like, whoa, 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 gorgeous. What else do we get? This little lip mask thing. I will totally try that out. And then this guy I'm probably not going to use on my brows because I don't highlight my brows. Like, who's got time to highlight their brows? That must be nice. No, I got time to and I'm done. I mean, maybe I'll be able to da-da-da on my eyes, but I don't got time to highlight my brows. That is it for this video. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I'll have a link down below. I'll also link my Boxycharm unboxing playlist down below. You can check out the past literally 7 years. I'm pretty sure I got it in 2014. August of 2014 was my first Boxycharm box. I'm going to have to look back. Whoa, that's crazy. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.